Hello brother, once again welcome back to my channel. Today once again we are going to create a UGC ad for the brands, those who desperately need. So first just you go to Claude and ask them, brand which desperately need ad for their business, provide me the details in tabular form. It will provide you the most underrated brand, those who need the ad for their application or for their ad. Here is their first is your D2C ad, second skincare and beauty, much more. Third, online courses. Fourth, home decor or furniture. Fifth, food and beverages. Sixth, pet care. Seventh, fashion and accessories. Eight, SaaS and AI tool. Nine, baby and parenting. 10, and travel and experience. If you have any difficulty in finding this brand niche, I will provide it in my description. Go and check it out, or I will provide it in one PDF. You can go and check it out. After finding this, I took one brand that is known as Ojiva. Here you see Ojiva. So what I did, just I search on Google Ojiva. After searching the Ojiva, here one product came. I thought let's create an UGC ad on this product. So I downloaded this product. After downloading this product, I went to ChatGPT. Where I want ChatGPT. After going to ChatGPT, I uploaded here the image with my this special prompt. This prompt came from here. I am going to say you. So here is a PDF. This is the PDF. If you want this PDF, link is present in the description. Go and check it out. The amazing PDF. With this PDF, you can create unlimited UGC ad. Means any product. Just copy this first prompt. After copying this first prompt, move to ChatGPT, paste here. Move to ChatGPT, paste here. Okay, paste here. After pasting, it will create an amazing character based prompt. Where this prompt I copied, simply I copied this prompt. After copying this prompt, I pasted here and told GPT to create an image, and it created such an amazing image. How beautiful it created. After creating this image, I downloaded it. After downloading it, I went to here. I went to Gemini. I went to after I went in Claude. Here I uploaded the image. After uploading the image, I pasted my second prompt. The second prompt is here. Just check it out. See this second prompt. I copied the second prompt. After copying the second prompt, I pasted here. After copying the second prompt, I pasted here, and after pasting, see how beautiful ad script it created. Can you imagine? See what this ad content. So Ojiva UGC ad script, consistent character. This character will be consistent in every ad. So see, character plus action, character wakes up, everything detail, complete detail, background also provided. वॉइस ओवर, मैं पहले भी ऐसा ही skeptical था और I was skeptical too. See, इतना तो means how much scene it created? Nearly it created 8 scenes. Can you imagine 8 scenes? Then after creating such scenes, just I have to go for another third prompt that is present in my PDF. It will create a script into a JSON file, a JSON prompt, which will very much helpful for creating a video. Copy this total up to here. After copying this, paste here. If you can't understood any process, again you watch the video and done by them, step by step you learn. After pasting it, it will create such an amazing ad prompt pack, cinematic ad prompt. How beautiful it created. JSON file. You can copy all 7 scenes, or one by one you can see. This is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, and so on. If you want this HTML link, I will provide in the description. Go and check it out. You can also create such type of images. So first I will create scene 1. Just copy this JSON file. Now move to, after copy this, see, after copying this, now move to Google Gemini or Google Omni. Just enter here. The internet issue is available, so please be tuned. Upload file. So let's upload file. So we will upload this downloaded image. After uploading this image, we do what? Video generation. We will do what? Generation. So video generation. Now I will paste the complete JSON file script I have pasted. The first cinematic ad script. Then now we'll do here. You can choose a model also. So we check the amazing video. Okay. There is some internet issue there. It will work now correctly. Here you can choose then refresh it. Now, now click here. After clicking here, upload file, to which this image I will get an instant add. I will paste here the prompt that I copied, pasted here, pasting C. How beautifully it will create a short 10-second UGC ad, which you can sell to the brand for nearly 10,000 to 20,000 per reel. You can charge up to. It is creating how easy it is. Just step by step you follow the process, and you can. Similarly, I will create such 8 scenes, and I will combine it in any editor and send to the brand. See, it is creating how beautifully. Just to check it. If you are getting any value, you can subscribe the channel, or you can follow me for such amazing content. If you want such type of more prompt to create AI websites, AI SaaS, or any, I have created a website just to check it. Let me show you the website where it is. WhatsApp is ready. To the video. Tell the
मैं पहले भी ऐसे ही सोचता था, क्या ये काम करेगा? और फिर मैंने 30 दिन ट्राई किया.
Similarly, copy the second prompt. Copy this. After copying this, after copying this here, again upload the image again, open it. After opening it, paste your prompt. After pasting the prompt, click submit. It will create a sequence wise this, then this. Similarly, you can create such type of amazing ad and sell to the any brand, and you can make lots of money. Okay, it's generating. Just see any brand. Yeah, I use Ojiva. So here many brand lists also available. You can do for many more. You can do for what? Skincare, beauty. You can do for uh, online courses. You can do for home decor, furniture. This is most demand. Just took the product, furniture product, and product of the furniture, and you create it. Food, beverages, pet care, fashion and accessories, SaaS and AI tool, anything. See our video is created or not. Let me check. It's generating the video. So I have given the ratio 9:16. That's why it created. So you can choose it in 16:9 also. So now after creating such type of video, I will combine it and I will reach out to this brand that I will ask him. I have created an amazing video for you, UGC video. If you want, you can take it and freely and use it in your ad. If it's so response, you can contact me and we will work together for further projects. Okay. Everything, every details is available in the description. Go and check it out. With you for such amazing money making tips, you can follow Aniket Rawat AI. So see, you created. I'm thinking. Let me check how it created.
प्लांट बेस्ड कोलेजन बस एक स्कूप टेस्ट भी अच्छा है यार सीरियसली
Realistic. Beautifully created. Similarly, you create such other video scenes and combine it together and form. So everything, this detail. So this link here, this HTML link is also in the description. This our where this PDF link is also available in the description. Everything is provided in the description. For today, for this much, we'll meet on next video. For that, bye.